Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my classic hourly vertical that I use for work. And this week I decided I'm going to use Girl with Goals. I'm going to try and use some florals from the floral sticker book. Now, normally when I plan, I try and use the same decor, same theme in all of my planners so they match. I'm not going to have enough florals to do that. So we'll see how the rest of the week goes. All right, let's get started. Okay. So normally when I plan in my classic hourly, I normally do all of the functional stuff first. So let's, scratching my arm here. I'd love a long box to go along the side. That's this weekend, which I don't really need. The only long box they seem to have, or this book seems to have, is, I just passed it, are these. What is your goal this week? What can you do to achieve your goal? Why is this goal important to you? And I feel like this would be more suitable in my fitness planner rather than here. So maybe I will just use one of these quotes on the side. I'm going to white out where it says notes. And normally I try to use this side for taking notes for the week. So maybe I'll put in a box. Just because it's hard doesn't mean it's impossible. And try and line it up as best as I can, because you guys know me. I am an expert in putting things down straight. And I could hear some of you guys laughing already. So I'm gonna grab, there's a big floral I want to use. Yes, this one, and there's actually another big floral that I'm gonna use as well. So I'll be able to use this in two parts of the spread. So I'm gonna grab my scissors and cut one for this side. So I'm actually gonna cut it not immediately in the center. Place that down here. And then this one, I'm actually happy to put here. Perfect. And then, that is a sticker sheet finished. And that is from Florals. And today is the 8th, 21. Okay. If you guys haven't seen me do that before, I like to keep track of all of the sticker sheets that I have used just to actually make sure that I am using my planner. Okay, I'm going to try and find another big sticker because I feel like there is another big white floral sticker just like that one. There it is. It's just in the wrong spot. What I might do with this one, I'm not working next Saturday, but I feel like if I cut this one in half, I'm going to grab that and grab my X-Acto knife, which is, I have no idea. Where are you? That's not good. Okay, so what I might do is actually cut it like this. And that's going to be tough without an X-Acto knife. Wow, seriously, where did you put it, Karina? Okay, I'm not going to try and search for it now because you guys would be like, what are you doing? So, let's just do this. I'm going to try to do this with my scissors that aren't very sharp and see if that works. I think it did, for the most part. So I'm going to take this half. Yes. Oop, that didn't go quite as planned, but close enough. Take this half and place it up here. And then the bottom half down here. And already that might bother me, but that's okay. Ooh, I already really, really like that. Okay, so let's close that and look at my schedule for Monday. Monday's not too bad. I only have 4 meetings. So what I need to find in this sticker book, yes, that's Lucy. Icons. There aren't really small icons in here. There's these little check marks, which I might use. Or these. These might work because the meetings that I have are at 11, 11:30, 2, and 2:30. So if I pull this, 11, 11:30, 2, and 2:30. What I'm going to actually do is cut this. Or boxes, hello. The thing is, if I had seen the boxes, I would have used them. Already, this girl with goals is not working out the way I want it to. Okay, let's give this a try. So let's just put it down then for 11, 2. There. Okay, that works. And then Tuesday, I could do something similar, but with gray or black. So put this back here. Because I have 6, so starting at 10, 10:30, 11:30, 12, and 2:30. Actually, let's use this. So it's basically from 10 to 3. To 3. Let's mark that there so I can cut it. There. I actually really like that now. And then Wednesday, I have 10 o'clock to 2:30. This is actually working out better than I had expected. So let's put dark purple, 10 o'clock to 2:30. So it'll just be halfway, really. As best halfway as I can get it. Okay. Then what other colors are there? Gray. I can put gray. I actually really like how that looks. And then black. So then Thursday, from 10 o'clock to 5:30. And this is where I don't think it will reach. So, I do have a meeting until 2, so maybe I can cut it here. Oh, bless you, Lucy. And then, I cut it too short. And then I have from 4 o'clock to literally 5:30. That actually works out really well. And then Friday, I just have the one at 10 o'clock, so I'll use what's left over here. Oh, Lucy's barking at me. Hold on, guys. So cut that and place that at 10 o'clock. All right, I actually really like that. One sec. Okay, I actually really like the way that it looks in list form like that. So now I feel like, why did I put that on Saturday? Oh my God, I'm not working Saturday. Why did I not realize that? Ugh. And now will it actually stick? Okay, so I'm not working Saturday, but I am closing Friday. So maybe I will put that with one of these, although I do hate covering up the florals. And the thing is, that box doesn't stand out as well as I'd like it to, so I'm not going to put that down. I'm going to put, and again, there's not a, well, no, there's this purple box, which will work. So I'm just going to put closing. And then I'm going to put some of the icons up at the top here, like remember. And of course there's going to be coffee icons that I'm going to put there. Or even these, which I'm going to add florals to, because why not? And then we'll put something up here with the coffee. Come on, coffee, where are you? There. Coffee o'clock. And then I don't want to put any more of those. What I think I wanted to do is actually find a big quote to go in here. So let's do, there's actually quite a few in here that would work really well. I like this, you can do anything, but I just want to make sure it fits first. Barely, but goal getter I think works better. Goal getter works better. Oh, guys. Alrighty, let's put that down. Love it, and then I can add a floral to it. Perfect. And then I want to add something down here. So maybe that's where I can put that you can do anything. Yes. I love that. And then I'm going to put a few boxes up in this corner here. Let's see. And I can hear Lucy coming down the stairs. Maybe let's put a couple of get it dones. And I can hear her. So where can I put this get it done? I feel like this would work more if I had a specific assignment, but actually I'm gonna put it upside down like this. Or no. I feel like either way doesn't look right. So let's kibosh that idea. Maybe I'll just put a priority up here. And then let's find those weekend boxes. And just place that there for notes that I'm going to take on the Friday. And I'm going to put a big quote here. But which one? Let's just do this one. Just because it's hard does not mean it's impossible. I like that. And then I'm going to combine it with the last floral on this page. Actually, let's put it there. And then florals, 4, 8, 21. Okay. All right, so let's have a look at that once it's all done. All right, I actually really like that. I love the way that this looks once it's all filled in. Now, I don't normally fill this out or show the after the pen because it is a work planner, so I have people's names in here that I do not want to release to the public. Even if it's just their first name, I don't want to release any of that information. So unfortunately, I hardly ever show the after the pen of this, but I hope this gives you an idea of how I use this. So, you know, keeping track of meetings in here, and then any important info like who's called in sick, who is on PTO, any important tasks that need to be done that day. But I also remember use my daily sheets to take more detailed notes on these days. This is more just an overview of my overall week. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.